assignments, doubts, exams. We have got you back. EduPlanner make every chapter easy to understand. Stay tuned, learn more, grow with us.
So for this problem, we're going to be drawing the orbital filling diagrams with our arrows. So starting with A, we are looking at the element that has a atomic number of 25. So with that, the noble gas that is before it is argon, so we're going to put that in brackets. Then the orbital that comes after that is 4s, and it is full, so we have one arrow going up, one arrow going down. And then the orbital after that is the 3d orbital, so we're going to do 5 lines because there are 10 electrons in that orbital. And this element is the 5th one across, so we're going to fill in 5. And we are going to fill 1 per line because each line has to get 1 electron or 1 arrow before we get into giving any of them 2. The next one for part B is our element with an atomic number of 56. So xenon is the noble gas that's before it, so we put that in brackets. Then we get into the 6s orbital, which is where this element is found, and it has 2 electrons in that orbital, and that's it. For part C, we are looking at our element with an atomic number of 28, so we know that's going to be very similar to part A. So argon is our noble gas. We have the 4s orbital, which is full. Then we have that 3d orbital again. And this is the 8th element across, so we're going to fill in 8 electrons or 8 arrows. So we put 1 in each line, so that's 5, and then we come back through with 6, 7, and 8. And then the last part, part D, we are looking at this element right here, number 47. So the noble gas is going to be krypton. Then we get into that next row, so we are in the 5s orbital, which is full, and then we are in the 4d orbital. So because it is a d orbital, it has those 5 lines. This is the 9th element across, so we're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Everybody gets 1, and then we go back through for 6, 7, 8, 9. And there we go.